Mimics are real. In the rainforests of southern Chile grows an otherwise unassuming vine that you wouldn't bat an eyelash at. But this vine has a terrible secret, and it is a mimic. The plant, Bequila trifoliolata, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, is a woody vine that is able to mimic the leaves of nearby plants in their shape, size, veins, as well as leaf pattern. One vine has even been seen mimicking up to 3 different plants simultaneously. So the scientists set out to test all the major theories behind this. Those theories, to keep it very short and sweet for the sake of this video, are as follows. Theory 1 is chemical signaling. Theory 2 is horizontal gene transfer. And Theory 3 is that the plants actually have eyes. These eyes, called ocelli, again, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, and they can see the nearby plants, or more specifically their leaves, through specialized receptor cells and lenses that help focus the ultraviolet light down onto them. For their experiment, they got 4 trifoliolata plants and set them up in a controlled greenhouse growing room. The bottom section, directly above the pots, is where the control was. There's no other plant life, nothing that they could see through the walls of the greenhouse, and no other plants nearby that could transfer genetic material or anything of the sort. The middle section above that is where the mimic leaves were going to grow if this proved successful, and the top section is where they had the artificial vine with its fake leaves. They found during the course of this experiment that the trifoliolata was not only able to mimic the artificial vines, but was able to do so more and more accurately the more of its leaves that could see the fake vine. They found that at the end of the experiment, the trifoliolata's mimicking leaves had shrunk by an overall 50% area, as well as changed their shape, becoming much narrower and longer. Now, it was by no means a perfect mimicry attempt, but as with most things in nature, it just has to be good enough to fool the plant's natural predators. So far, the theory about the plant having actual eyes is the most widely accepted, and thankfully their mimicry is limited to leaves for now, because